Ross' favorite, that lemon pepper.
That lemon
Lemon
pepper.
pepper.
Oh, but that hot. Oh, bro. I use that kick your chicken.
Yeah.
That shit is busting. Off the chain.
Yeah.
Yeah. We going down, bro.
You
Man,
say
we
y'all,
gonna eat something for
you
us.
say y'all play, huh?
Yep.
Y'all got
I
Philly?
don't know. I don't know what day though. I mean, what time? I
Sunday,
be
right?
still at. I be at work and shit on Sundays. Yeah.
That's all right. That's all right. That's why
You ain't
that's,
lying. Shit.
that's all right.
They got TVs. I be up there looking like I be
All
looking
you
like a
need,
motherfucker.
even though you want to see the game, but all you need to know is whether y'all won or whether y'all lost. Ain't that right?
Yeah. I be looking like a motherfucker.
Hey, of course you want to see the
Yeah.
game, but all you need to know is whether y'all got a W or y'all got an L.
Okay. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Why that? Let that money add it up. Add it up. Add it up.
Add it up,
Yeah.
bro. I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and go up here and take
I'm
me a
finna
shower.
head back in.
Yeah,
You
take me
already
a
know.
shower. I just kicked my ass over there on that fucking bag. My whole back was sweating, nigga. I mean, brother, my whole back was sweating, brother. Sorry, brother. don't get mad at me because I'm trying to be politically correct, man. Don't get mad at me.
Same. But see, some people don't understand it. Sometimes you get what you dish out. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's right. But I'll holler at
You
you.
know
I'll holler
what I'm
at you later.
saying?
Hey,
Be safe, my bro. Be safe.
don't forget, man. Pray for
Must
me, brother.
hey everybody who watching this live, please pray for my boy Black Mud.
Going through some real life shit.
Already. Much prayer to my bro. Much love.
Share, subscribe to Cooking with Love and More. Bam, that's my dude. Stay off of him. Boom. I'm out, bro.
Oh
Peace.
yeah, be safe, my bro.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was the wrong channel too.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Let me come back. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Man, Dallas. What is it? Dallas? Tell me.
Yeah, that is
Tell me
Oh
what it
Lord.
is.
I said, oh, had me forgot what the hell I was saying. I'm like, hold on, damn, this the wrong damn channel
Get
too.
it
My
right.
damn
So
self.
when you chop it up, it's gonna be right. So let me get it right.
Bam. You already know.
What's
It's
the
all
name of it?
good. Yeah, I'm doing it like that. Two times.
No, what's
Two
the name of
times.
it? Dallas.
Dallas, Texas. Dallas,
Dallas,
Texas.
Texas.
Uh-huh.
What is it? What's the
Oh,
whole
cooking
thing?
with more. Cooking with
It's
more.
it's Dallas, Texas
Cooking
cooking
with
with
more.
more.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, he gonna I was like, yep. It's all good. Y'all know what's up. Appreciate
Shout
everybody.
out
That's
to
how we
Dallas,
doing it.
Texas cooking with more. Shout out to my man 762 Mike. Shout out to my
Already.
too real to be fake, but he changed his name to something else. I'm sorry I couldn't know it. Shout out to Chanson 243. Shout out to damn, help me out, nigga, help me out. I mean, brother, help me out.
You crazy.
Who the
God,
brother from
God. Oh,
Compton?
okay.
Who the dude from
You
Compton?
already said
Who
it,
the
Big
dude from
Mike.
Compton?
Okay, you said Big Mike.
Who the dude from
Uh,
Compton? From Compton.
oh, 71 Cowboys.
All right.
Uh,
Shout them out. Hey,
what my other boy?
Glenn 10 Spins. I still fuck with him. Don't say nothing.
It's
Shout
all
out
good.
Glenn
It's all
10
man. I ain't
Spins.
like that. I'm not like that.
I know you not. I know you not. I said, I know you not like that. I said that. I said that.
No cap.
Who I'm leaving out?
Oh, no, I'm still looking. I'm looking through the list right now.
Razzie Groves.
Oh, gang. Oh, one of my new subscribers, gang security. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, nuts for guns. You know what I'm talking about? Let's keep it going.
Listen, I'm only shouting out those that subscribe to me, bro.
Oh,
Razzie
well, I don't know.
Groves.
Yeah, okay.
Turn me on
That's
to
my
him.
other bro.
Yup. Shout out to him. I know I'm missing because you turned me on to a couple people. I'm missing somebody.
Man, shit. You know I got a whole lot on that jump out, they pop out.
Shout out to everybody, man. This your live.
Everybody, you
You can chop
already
it up.
know.
You can chop it up how you want,
Yeah,
big bro.
that's how we do it. Dallas, Texas, guns, and cooking. You already know how we doing it.
All right. Make sure you get this right here.